Upgrade your vehicle's lighting control with the MICTUNING 5-pin on-off rocker switch, a single-pole, single-throw SPST switch designed for ease of use and long-lasting durability. This switch comes complete with jumper wires, making installation a breeze. You can easily turn on or off your LED light bar, work lights, fog lamps, headlights, taillights, and more with a simple press of a button. The switch is designed with two premium LEDs that emit a soft, cozy beam, penetrating through the surface cover to clearly illuminate the switch patterns in the dark. No more fumbling to find the switch. You'll always know exactly where to press, even in low light conditions. Made from high-quality, strengthened plastic and well-conductive pins, this switch is built to last. The patterns are etched directly onto the surface, ensuring long-lasting visibility and functionality. Whether you're working with a manual or electric transfer case, the MICTUNING switch is versatile and ideal for controlling a range of automotive lights. The switch is rated at 20 amp, 12 V and 10 amp, 24 V, offering compatibility with various wiring harnesses and lighting systems. It's a perfect choice for upgrading your vehicle's electrical system without breaking the bank. The switch's solid construction, easy installation, and cost-effective pricing make it a smart investment for your vehicle. Want an easy-to-install, high-performance switch for your lighting system? Click the link in the description to purchase the MICTUNING 5-pin rocker switch today and enjoy a brighter, more efficient lighting setup.